Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets all finished up lower or less yesterday, with soybeans leading the way to the downside. Same remains true this morning. Had a couple of reasons the soybean market sold off as much as it did yesterday, over 20 cents. You had profit taking. There's such a long position built up in the soybean market right now that when there's a long liquidation, there's definitely going to affect the market to the downside. You've also got concerns that China is going to be canceling or rolling over a lot of the cargoes they've recently purchased. That's pressuring prices as well. And then concerns that the crop in South America is much larger than the USDA reported in their most recent report. All those factors weighing on the soybean market yesterday and continuing to do the same this morning. As far as corn goes, still continued concerns over the GMO issue over in China. They've got a decent supply over there. Continuing to send corn over just doesn't make a whole lot of sense for them right now. A lot of people think that's why they're rejecting this unapproved GMO strain. They're starting to test DDGs as well. So they continue to cancel cargoes, probably going to really put a stop on the exports over to China. People aren't going to be wanting to send them any corn right now due to that. So moving forward for today, it's last trading day for December futures. Shouldn't be a whole lot of fireworks there. Most people are already over in the January contract for soybeans, which is of course not a December contract for soybeans anyhow, but in March for corn and wheat. So that's all we've got for today. If you have any questions at all, let us know. Otherwise, have a great weekend.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risk involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.